We came back from vacation, realized from neighbors that there was a hailstorm in the area, and decided to make some phone calls to different roofing companies to see what they could do to replace our roof. So I interviewed several roofing companies, and the last one was Tim's company. I was very pleased with his professionalism of sitting down with us, being very thorough in explaining what he would be doing in completing the roof, showing us visuals because I need to see how things will be laid out. And I really appreciated his intent in preserving our rain gutters, making sure our shrubs and plants that we put in wouldn't be damaged, and of course working with our budget because we didn't expect this storm to come through. So he and his men put the roof in, and it was well done. They did a great job cleaning up, and in fact it was better than I expected, and we were very pleased with it. I would definitely recommend Tim Parks Construction Company to anyone who's interested in having a roof replacement done. And in fact, I already have. I've recommended him to two of my neighbors.